G'day guys, welcome back to another video. We've got a really exciting one today. Yiheng Wang has broken Max Park's world record with a 3.08 second time. And I'm going to show you how he did it. This was quite an easy scramble, and there wasn't that much advanced stuff going on, apart from the look ahead and TPS of course. I'll have all the information in the description, but the scramble's right here if you want to give it a try. And he did it on white cross, which is really good for anyone trying to follow along. As you can see, there's actually already no white cross pieces in. However, there's these two which are opposite each other, which can be used in two moves. There's this one that can be inserted in one move in the opposite side, and then there's this one just here. So what Yiheng did is he held it at the back like this. He inserted the orange one first next to the red, meaning that once the cross is done, you just do a D2 to finish it. So he put the orange in just like this, but at the same time, he did a D prime at the bottom to align both of these to their opposite sides as well, like this. So the green's here on the blue, blue's on the green, and then the orange is on the red, which means if he does a M slice like this, then those three are all correctly next to the colors that they need to be. And so then we've just got the red one here, which you can insert just in this one. However, he saw this cross edge, which pairs up with this piece, meaning that if he did D as well as a U prime down, which put the red in, then these would align if he keeps going through just like this. And then this is where the F2L starts. So the cross is done. He has this pair, which is quite easy, 3-move insert. Then there's this pair that can insert in here. However, he actually did this one in the back first with the red and green. And so how he does this is he pulls this up, brings this out, and then once he inserts this one into the back, then that will line up the green and orange straight into the front slot. And I know he would have remembered that this one was at the back here. The last F2L pair is just done like this. And then that solves OLL. And this is where he locked up a little bit. He did an interesting R3 move. So just like this. And then this is actually where he locked up a little bit because he did this move instead of doing this. So had to backtrack a little bit, but then he solved the cube with a 14.61 TPS in 3.08 seconds. People are saying it could have been even faster without that lockup. If you want to get this cube, you can get it from speedcubeshop.com and use my code NOBLE for 5% off. That's pretty good. When do you think the next world record is going to be beaten? Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.